On 28th of December, one-man commission of enquiry headed by retired Guwahati High Court Judge Rumi Kumari Phukon set up by the government of Assam visited the site of the firing incidents that happened at Mukroh on 22nd of November. 1 month ago, a firing incident broke out at Mukroh, Assam-Meghalaya border regions after a truck illegally loaded with illegal field timbers was intercepted by Assam Forest Department. 6 people, including a forest guard of Assam, was also killed during the incident. To find out the factual findings of the incidents, a single-person committee of enquiry was constituted by the government of Assam on 22nd of December under the Justice Rumi Kumari Phukon, retired judge of Guwahati High Court, to investigate the firing incidents at Mukroh, falling under the jurisdiction of Jirikinding Police Station, West Karbi Anglong District. During the ground zero visits of investigation, Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, DIG, SP, DFO, CI Forest Rangers, KSA, various socials and students organizations gave their testimonies at the irrigation inspection bungalow at Dongkamukam. Justice Rumi Kumari Phukon, retired judge of Guwahati High Court, while speaking to us, informed that public hearing would be conducted against all persons or organizations have knowledge of the facts and circumstances relating to the firing incidents at Mukroh to appear and submitted their statement.
Jitu paisu reporter, ite proper verification hole ami buji pam no, and facts to ne dekhe buja aru dekha duta bele kotha ekane mo salu exact incident to kot hoisil, dead body kot paisil ekhini ami eta stock to lolu, tapsot ami on the basis of evidence hakibadi ki koy, tapsot ami complete visualize korim.
Something in this report from Jirikinding for Karbi Anglong Live.